Hey guys, this is Danny from EthLend, and today I will show you guys how to borrow Ether on EthLend. So, how to act as a lender. Now, EthLend is a smart contract, a lending smart contract, which is running on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, first, what we actually need to do, we have to go to the website ethlend.io. Now we will actually arrive to the first page. And actually, first thing that we have to do after landing the page, we have to download MetaMask. You can press the download button here. And actually, to be precise, or you can go to the metamask.io. And MetaMask is actually kind of terminal or an application that lets you connect you to the blockchain network. So basically, you can use any application which is connected to the blockchains through your browser. So actually, brings the Ethereum to your browser. Now, since I do have the MetaMask installed, I will not go to the installation process, but you can find good instructions on YouTube or on the MetaMask website. So what I will instead do, I will enable it from my extensions. Now I can actually see that I have the MetaMask icon here. I will add the password. Oh, so hard to remember. Okay. Yes. Okay. Now I have my MetaMask here. So what I will actually do, I will go once more to the website, and instead of showing me the download notification, I actually will see that we are receiving data from the Ethereum blockchain. So basically, my MetaMask is functioning with the EthLend and the Ethereum blockchain. And you can see I have funded my account here. So basically, to fund loans, you of course need Ether. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense. And you can actually buy it as well if you are a new user or don't have your MetaMask account funded yet. You can use Coinbase or Shapeshift. And also you can go back. You can also import an account here, which is actually quite easy thing to do. So let's go back to the EthLend. Here we can see 4 loans that are here, and there's one that's finished. So basically, that's over. You can fund that. Then there's a funded loan. Then there's a loan that has been defaulted. So basically, a finished loan means that the loan has been completed and the borrower has paid the funds back, and the token, which was as a collateral, has been released to the borrower. And this is ongoing loan. So basically, this loan is funded, but the loan hasn't yet paid back because the loan period isn't over yet. And defaulted means that the loan period was over, but the borrower didn't return the loan amount back with the premium. So basically, what happened here is that the tokens were transferred to the lender, which realized sold them back in the token exchange to get the loan amount covered. Now let's go further. We have here a loan that is basically waiting for a lender, and it indicates me that the borrower actually wants to borrow 0.2 ethers, and he's offering first blood tokens as a collateral. Now, this is actually a test loan. In a normal situation, we might not have this kind of imbalance here, because if we actually will go to the coin market cap, and we will see the Ethereum price now. Right now, it's $159. So basically 0.2 mean that actually the borrower wants to borrow $31, and he's offering 5 first blood tokens as a collateral. So basically, if he doesn't pay back the loan amount, we will get the tokens, and we can sell them in, for example, in Ether Delta, which is a token exchange. So if we will go back to the coin market cap, we can search for the first blood, and we can see that now one token is worth, give or take, half a dollar. So basically, we have 5 tokens with a 0.55, which is the value. So basically, we're funding. We have a collateral of $2, almost under $3. So basically, in a real life situation, we will not maybe fund this loan, of course. And it should be quite equal. So basically, if there will be 50 tokens of first blood, then the loan is actually quite nice, because you get, if the borrower doesn't pay the loan amount back, you can always sell the tokens and retrieve your losses and go back to the loan market. And you may even get more from selling the tokens than actually from the lending transaction. So let's say the loan. Okay, here we have all the details. We have the loan amount, days to lend, which is 7, token amount, then the premium, which is 0.05 Ether, and that's the interest that we get from lending this amount here. And the token is first blood, and here's the smart contract, token smart contract. And to fund this loan, we have to send 0.21 Ether to this address here. And this address is our loan agreement. So what we will do, well, as a lender, I usually will check the loan agreement just to make a quick peek what's happening here, and see if there's token inside. And basically, yes, there are. So everything's perfect here, and I will actually fund this loan now. And this includes the 0.01 Ether platform fee for EthLend. And yep, we will accept the transaction here through MetaMask. And now actually it is in confirmation stage. So basically it will run a bit on the Ethereum blockchains, and it takes a few minutes now. And yeah, the coin market cap is actually a nice page to compare the values of the different tokens. And then we have actually the Ether scan. So we can go here, token, we all tokens. There isn't much at the moment, 24, but I think there's hundreds of tokens at the market. And the borrowers may use any ERC20 token. So anybody can make a token agreement and actually use them as a collateral. So it's your responsibility as a lender to look at the values of the token and make your loan decision based on that. Some of the lenders will want full amount to be covered. Someone are fine, for example, with 50%, and maybe some of them want that 120% of the value is covered because of the fluctuation.